For millennia, our planet has been home to creatures of extraordinary power and majesty. From the towering Tyrannosaurus rex to the colossal woolly mammoth, these magnificent beasts once shaped the very landscapes they roamed. Their extinction left a void, a silence in the grand symphony of life. But what if, in some twist of fate, these titans had never vanished? Imagine a world where the thunder of their footsteps still shook the ground, and the echo of their roars reverberated through the ages. A world where the very balance of power hung precariously between the titans of the past and the rulers of the present. Join us now as we embark on a thrilling expedition through time and terrain, pitting extinct giants against modern-day champions. Who would reign supreme in this ultimate battle for dominance? Let the face-off begin. The Tyrannosaurus rex, a name that sends shivers down our spines. This apex predator, with jaws capable of crushing bone, reigned supreme in the late Cretaceous. But how would it fare against today's predators? Enter the African lion, a master strategist. While no match in size, lions have honed their skills over millennia, working in unison to bring down larger prey. In a head-to-head, the T-Rex's brute force would prevail. But in modern environments, the lion's adaptability might tip the scales. Imagine a T-Rex navigating a modern city, its senses overwhelmed by urban life. Lions, however, adapt and thrive. Their smaller size allows them to maneuver in ambush. The T-Rex, used to ruling its domain, might be outmatched by modern agility and cunning. It's a clash of titans, a battle of brawn versus brain, evolution's enduring power. While the T-Rex ruled the prehistoric world, in the modern arena, the lion might be the victor. The T-Rex's size is formidable, but a disadvantage in a human-shaped world. The woolly mammoth, an icon of the Ice Age, was a creature of immense power and resilience. Built to withstand the harshest conditions, its thick fur coat, colossal tusks, and ability to store vast reserves of fat made it a true survivor of its time. But could this Ice Age behemoth stand a chance against its modern-day relative, the African elephant? At first glance, the two species appear evenly matched. Both possess immense size, tusks for defense, and a herbivorous diet. However, the elephant holds a crucial advantage: adaptability. While mammoths evolved to thrive in frigid, icy landscapes, elephants have mastered a variety of habitats, from scorching savannas to lush forests. This adaptability is key to understanding the potential outcome of this epic clash. In a warming world, the mammoth's specialized adaptations would become its downfall. Its thick fur coat, designed to trap heat, would lead to overheating in warmer climates. Its reliance on a diet of tundra vegetation would prove unsustainable in environments where such plants are scarce. The elephant, on the other hand, with its ability to thrive on a diverse range of vegetation and its physiological adaptations to warmer climates, would be unfazed by these environmental shifts. Furthermore, the elephant's social intelligence, its complex communication, and its ability to learn and adapt would give it a distinct edge in a changing world. The elephant, a symbol of wisdom, adaptability, and resilience, would emerge as the victor, a testament to the enduring power of evolution. Chapter 3. Terror Bird vs. Eagle. The very name sends shivers down your spine. Terror Bird. This wasn't some feathered fiend of myth, but a real predator that stalked South America millions of years ago. Picture a 3-meter-tall avian assassin, built like a velociraptor with a beak that could crack a skull. Now imagine this prehistoric terror against the king of the skies today, the eagle. Eagles, with their razor-sharp talons, incredible eyesight, and mastery of flight, are apex predators of the avian world. But against a terror bird, even their aerial advantage is challenged. These prehistoric giants weren't just fast on the ground, they could likely outrun a horse, making them a formidable foe in any terrain. The clash would be a spectacle of nature's raw power. The terror bird, with its powerful legs and slashing beak, would rely on brute force and speed. One can imagine the dust flying, the ground trembling as it charged, its massive beak aimed like a spear. The eagle, however, wouldn't engage in a fair fight. It would use its greatest asset, the sky. Soaring high above, the eagle would become a feathered phantom, its keen eyes tracking the terror bird's every move. Then, with the speed of a lightning strike, the eagle would descend, talons outstretched, aiming for the terror bird's vulnerable head or back. Here's where the terror bird's size becomes its weakness. It's a large target, and despite its speed, it can't match the eagle's aerial agility. Chapter 4. human impact twist. Yet, as we marvel at the hypothetical clashes of these titans, a sobering truth emerges. The greatest threat to these magnificent creatures, both past and present, is not a predator from the depths of time, but a force far more insidious, ourselves. The fossil record tells a chilling tale. The extinction of mammoths, saber-toothed cats, and giant sloths coincided with the spread of humans. We brought habitat destruction, overhunting, and ecological changes that proved fatal for many of these beasts. Even today, the shadow of human impact looms large. Lions, elephants, eagles, all face shrinking habitats, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. The very creatures that could have gone toe-to-toe with prehistoric giants are now fighting for survival. Imagine the T-Rex, mammoth, and terror bird had survived to the present day. Would they have stood a chance against human civilization? Likely not. Their immense size would make them vulnerable to habitat fragmentation and human settlements. Their specialized diets and behaviors would struggle to adapt to rapid, human-induced environmental change. The extinction of past megafauna and the plight of their modern counterparts remind us of our impact on the planet. Outro: the future of life on Earth. As we stand on the precipice of an uncertain future, the question of who would rule Earth today remains a tantalizing thought experiment. But perhaps the more important question is, how can we ensure that there is a future for all life on Earth, from the smallest insect to the largest whale? We must remember that nature is not a gladiatorial arena where only the strongest survive. It's a complex web of interconnectedness where every species plays a vital role. The extinction of one species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, can have ripple effects throughout the entire ecosystem. So, let us celebrate the incredible diversity of life on Earth, both past and present. Let us marvel at the power of the T-Rex, the resilience of the mammoth, the grace of the terror bird, and the ingenuity of their modern counterparts. And let us work together to ensure that their stories and the stories of countless other species continue to be written for generations to come. Nature's ultimate battle has no winner, only survivors. But one thing's certain, we're lucky we only face lions, not dinosaurs.